Hello guys, welcome to Chathuva YouTube channel again, and in today's video I am going to show you how to download and install Adobe Photoshop 2021 for free. If you guys need some other Adobe products, I will put the link in the description. You can visit there and download them for your educational purposes. Okay guys, let's move to the video. First of all, you have to visit the link in the description, and it says Adobe Photoshop 2021 by Chathuva.from. What you need to do is you simply press the download button here, and it loads the file, and click download anyway. Then go to the downloaded location and extract the file. When you extract the file, it will ask for a password. The password is just 123. After that, go to the extracted folder and double click setup.exe. It will open up the Photoshop installer window like that. In here you can change your language as well as the location too. But if you don't have any problem in your disk, please keep the default location as it is. Then press the continue button. Then it will start the installation process, and it will take few minutes. Now the installation process is completed and we are ready to go. There's an icon named Photoshop 2021 has created in my start menu, and I'm going to open the Photoshop. It opens like that. Actually, we know there are so many lot of cool features have added to the 2021 version. You can enjoy all the features with this version. So guys, thanks for watching my videos and keep in touch with Chathuva YouTube channel. So guys, see you soon with another video. Stay safe.